Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Pullen looks at what foods you should eat if you have diabetes.
A diabetes diet is a personalized meal plan that helps manage blood sugar levels, maintain overall health, and prevent diabetes-related complications.
So if you think about sugar, you say, but we eat sugar, right? Right. So we have to eat sugar because sugar is our main source of fuel or energy. Our brain relies on sugar, right? So it's very important that we recognize that even though diabetes is high blood sugar, we can't eliminate sugar, right, from our diet. We have to eat sugar. It's the type of sugar that we're going to eat.
According to consultant physician and endocrinologist Dr. Karen Phillips, 50% of a diabetic's plate should be vegetables, 25% carbohydrates, and 25% protein. Dr. Phillips says the aim is to eat more complex sugars than simple sugars.
These are like the ground provisions, those kind of things, yam, banana, dasheen, those types of foods, so those are better. They release glucose more slowly into the system than the simple sugars like the baked products, the sweets, the ice cream, the juices, and the myriads, and the donuts, and all of that. Those are the nice stuff, the simple sugars. So diabetes is about controlling your intake of carbohydrates. And so also in controlling your intake, not only the portion, but the quality.
But part of the issue of eating healthy is affordability. Dr. Phillips offered some suggestions.
And fruits. Now, if you know what's happening, especially post-burial and post or recent tropical storm, vegetables are very expensive. So, I say to patients, whatever you can get. So maybe there'll be some forms. So maybe, well, that's not really a vegetable, but like if you can have something like cabbage, which may be more readily available or cheaper than lettuce, I don't know. But we encourage you to whatever you can get. Fruits, we can get fruits off the trees. We have to be careful about some fruits because there are some which are high glycemic more than others.
Diabetics should also limit the use of butter and instead use healthy oils. Also, drink plenty of water instead of sweetened beverages. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.